Good evening. Welcome to Fina Kids. My name is Letitia. I'm studying in UKG. I'm telling about writers and important persons. Andesi, Moses Sam, J.J. Talan, was written by Andesi. Manki Chandra Chatterjee. National song Vande Mataram was written by Manki Chandra Chatterjee. Dinanath Tagore. National anthem Pillala Kolayam was written by Dinanath Tagore. Sarimani Venkata Subbarao. Our Indian pledge was written by Sarimani Venkata Subbarao. Pingali Venkaya. Our national flag was written by Pingali Venkaya. Rabindranath Tagore. National anthem Jana Gana Mana was written by Rabindranath Tagore.